Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a quick DIY. It's kind of like a dupe magnolia wreath. I purchased this garland from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show y'all how I turn it into like a, I know these aren't magnolia leaves, but when I put it together, I put it on either an antique window or the back of a pallet wall, and it looks really cute. So if you want to see how I get this look, keep watching. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a glue gun, scissors, and this twig garland that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna do is plug in your hot glue gun, let that heat up. While that's heating up, what I normally do is cut off these leaves. Off. Then you're left with this twig and green stem, and what I'm going to do is shape it to the size that I want, the wreath that I want. So now what I'm gonna do, hopefully my glue gun is hot. I'm just going to put a little glue on here. I need another glue stick. And then just hold this down and let it adhere to it. Sorry, and then just go around and kind of do same thing. First I do the brown twig part, and then I go back around and do the green stem just to make it more secure. So it's in a wreath circle. It's in the shape of a circle for my wreath is what I meant to say. And then so now what I'm gonna do, since they have two on here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut close to the edge to get two leaves. Cut. Okay, and you can buy two. I'm just using it for I did a plank faux wood wall in my bathroom, and I have an empty space that I want to kind of, I guess, decorate. So now what you do is just get your leaf, and I just kind of, guess my glue gun's not hot enough. Just get one of the leaves and then put a dab of glue on there. And what I'm going to do with this one, I'm just going to face them in one direction. So I'm going to, you know, go in and out with it and just kind of go in one direction. Post a picture and show y'all what it looks like hung up. So here it is, super cute. Magnolia wreath. I actually purchased these galvanized words from the Dollar Tree as well. I like it for now, but I might end up just taking it off after the holidays. But I just put a little bit of glue just so if I wanted to take it off I could. But yeah, there it is.